Hello, and welcome to the fourth section, Persisting with MongoDB. In the previous section, we learned how to build an application using Express.js framework. In this section, we will learn how to persist our data using MongoDB database. First, we will learn what MongoDB is, why use it, and how to install it. Then, we will learn what NoSQL is and the various types of databases it provides. We will also learn how a schema looks in MongoDB, the available data types, and how to normalize or denormalize data. We will then look at how to use Mongo Shell to do CRUD operations by finding, inserting, updating, and removing documents. And finally, how to execute the same CRUD operations from Node.JS. And as a bonus, we'll glance over Mongoose, how to install it, how to create our models, and how to protect our applications from malicious users. Now, let's move to the first video of this section that deals with MongoDB basics. In this video, we will learn what MongoDB is, why we should use it, and how to install it. MongoDB is an open-source, cross-platform, document-oriented, NoSQL database. It is designed for scalability and developer agility. It has a dynamic schema and stores JSON-like documents in binary JSON. It is between key value stores, which are fast and scalable, and between relational databases, which has rich functionality. It saves the data in a single document, meaning that an entity can contain all the information by itself. A lot of drivers are available, allowing us to use it with most of the languages. MongoDB provides a lot of features for which you might want to choose it as your database. It has ad hoc queries that enable one allowing to search by field, range, or regular expressions. It has indexing that allows us to index our data for faster lookup. Replication allows for high availability and eventually consistent data. Load balancing allows easy horizontal scaling using sharding and adding new machines on the fly. MongoDB can be used for file storage using grid file system. It's possible to process and aggregate data by using MapReduce. JavaScript can be used in queries and executed on the database. This allows you to use a single language for your whole development stack. Supports capped collections, which are fixed-size collections, help remove older records as new data comes in. MongoDB is a great choice if you have high write loads, need high availability, or you have a lot of data. Collections are schemaless, allowing you to add and remove fields without performance degradation or needing a database administrator. MongoDB has spatial functions built in, making it a great choice if your data is location-based. MongoDB is cross-platform, giving you a lot of installation choices. The download pages provide you with the installer for your operating system. They have installation instructions given step by step to help you out. For example, on OS X, you have a choice to install it using a package manager or manually. We will be using Package Manager to install MongoDB. Please make sure that you have Homebrew installed and working beforehand. First, update the package database of Homebrew with brew update command. Then, using the brew install command, you can install MongoDB on your machine. By following the instructions in your terminal, you can make MongoDB start at login or launch it using custom configuration. We will be using custom configuration for the rest of this course. To lower fragmentation, MongoDB allocates big files for storing data. To save space on your development machine, we will be using small files. Add the Small Files option to the configuration. Now we can run the MongoDB database with mongod command. To check whether it works, we can connect to it using Mongo shell. You should use authentication to protect your database, but for simplicity, we will use an unprotected database on our development machine. Congratulations! You have successfully installed MongoDB database on your machine. In this video, we learned what MongoDB is, why we should use it, and how to install it.